Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today I have this. Actually, I bought this a long time ago, and it's my favorite. It's called Taekwood by Bath and Body Works. It's a 3-in-1 hair care. Let's just a moment. Yeah, that's the 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. And it's I think it's normal in market in Malaysia, but I found it's still in market in Philippines. So let's see some of the pictures and also the description. So this is a picture. This is a bit different, but it's the same thing from Philippines. Okay, see this fragrance. Okay, and then overview. All right, that's it. And then let's see the bottle itself. Okay, sorry, just a moment. Here. Okay. The icon. Okay. So if you want to know the original Maison, it is. So okay, this is my favorite, and then the best thing is it smells very manly, and if you use it, people say it's very nice, and then yeah, this is my favorite. I want to share to you, and then if you like to have this, maybe I'm gonna share the link below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.